Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is a scrapbook.com haul. So first they always give a free gift, so I got these stickers and this word die says feel better. And I picked up the Simple Stories Baking Spirits Bright collection. I could not help myself with this collection. I picked up some of the bits and pieces, and there's those there. And then I also picked up some of the gingerbread bits and pieces as well. Really, really cute. And then I picked up the recipe cards. And so you get 12 cards in a pack. And here's all the cards that you get in the pack. So I picked up a few of those. And then I picked up 3 of these kits. These were really cool. They had these, what are they called here? They're Collector's Essential Kit, Baking Spirits Bright. And you get 183 pieces, so you get the paper, you get the stickers, and then you get a couple of these, let me just show you real quick. I picked up 3 of those. Can I help myself? So let's go through this kit real quick and see what's inside. Okay, so you get the chipboard stickers, and I just love these. Definitely going to make some kind of a recipe book with these. I just think they're absolutely adorable. And here are some of the bits that you get. The journaling cards, and then you also get these ones here and the page pieces. So that's really cute. And here they are down here. So really fun. And then here are the sticker sheets. Aren't those adorable? Sorry, my desk is like, has stuff around me. Hard to get it all in. But just really, really cute. And then you get the 12 by 12 papers. And these are so cute. Here's the back side. And here's this one. Super cute. This is Claus's Kitchen, so sweet. And here's this side with all the gingerbread. Really fun. I love that. And then this one with all the cutouts, cut aparts. Really cute. Making some memories. Love that. There's the other side. So here's this one here. Really cute. I love the little journaling spots. Really fun. Here's the other side. Really pretty. And then a bunch of little tags. Love the tags. Aren't those so cute? Baked with love. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Baking Christmas cheer and special delivery with a little mouse. So really fun. Peace, hope, and cookies. Really cute. Okay, and here's the next one. A little village. Really cute with the snowman and the mouse. Really cute. And here's the other side. then all of the pies and cakes and cookies. And the hot cocoa or peppermint cocoa. And there's the other side of that one. And this fun one here. And then the candies, really cute. And then this one as well, polka dots. And then the stars. Love that. And then the Christmas trees. That one is so cute. I love all the different ones. And then the stripes. And then we have the polka dots. I love this one. And then the holly and ivy. So really fun. And then we have, this is the last one, which is more gingerbread men. So adorable. I love this one. There's so many on here. And then here's the other side with the stripes. And then on Etsy, I picked up a few more of that collection from Only One Life Creations. If you would like to check out their store on Etsy. And so I picked up a couple of these really cute foam stickers from Baking Spirits Bright. And this one says peace, love, joy, happy holidays, merry and bright. And then it says hope, peace, and cookies. And then also baking memories. And you get all the cute little gingerbread. Aren't those so adorable? Just love that. And then the other side says Holly Jolly, Baking Spirits Bright, Christmas Recipes, and Very Merry. You also get a little ginger right there, a little gingerbread guy. So cute. So I had to get that. And then I also picked up this 3D texture impression embossing folder. Now I seem like there was another one like this that came out at the same time as this from Eileen Hall, or just from Sizzix in general. I cannot think of the name and I can't find it. If you guys know, there was like 2 that came out around this time. And will you please let me know if you actually picked it up or something, what the name of it is, because I can't seem to find it anywhere. It's called Sweater, and there's the number. So I just really loved it. Really pretty. And then last, I picked up the 6x8 paper pad from Simple Stories called Baking Spirits Bright. I just thought it would be fun to have it in a different size for different projects and things. So let me open this one up. Baking Christmas Cheer. Really cute. So this one is actually double-sided, and I love that. It's beginning to taste a lot like Christmas. Oh, I love that. So cute. Then all the fun ones. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Gingerbread Kisses and Christmas Wishes. I love that so much. You get little gingerbread and the little houses or village. Gingerbread Kisses, so sweet. Peace, love, joy, and hello, hello dear. That one is so cute. Snow Fun, Mr. and Mrs. Claus, and Joy. Yeah, there we go. And I think it just repeats itself. So, yeah, really fun. So that is my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.